Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix iPhone if it's stuck on red battery screen. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, make sure that you use a different cable or charger. Test it out, okay? Or use your charger on a different iPhone, as defective cables or low-powered adapters often cause this issue. Now, if you got the newer iPhones, just ensure that you use a 20-watt adapter. Okay, now if that still doesn't help fix the issue, well, you can just go out and try to clean the charging port. You can go out and use a toothpick or toothbrush to clean it out, or in other words, to gently remove lint or debris to ensure proper connection. Now, if that still won't work, don't worry, you can go out and try to force restart your phone while it's charging. Okay, now for iPhone 8 to 15, you can press and release the volume up, and then after that, press and release volume down. And then once that's done, hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. All right, once the Apple logo appears, you can now then go ahead and release it. Now, if you're using iPhone 7 or 7 Plus or below, well, you can go ahead and hold the volume down button and then the power button simultaneously until the Apple logo appears. Okay. Now, if that still won't work, it might be the charging port that is damaged. Okay, you can go ahead and try a wireless charger, as it will bypass the issue. Another option, if the phone is very cold, the battery may not take a charge. So gently warm the back of the phone with a hair dryer for a minute. And when it's warm, you can now go ahead and plug your charger and check. Okay? Now, if nothing works, if the phone remains stuck after these steps, the battery may be completely dead and require a replacement from an authorized service provider. Okay, you might want to get it checked by a local technician, or if it's still under warranty, you can go ahead over to Apple and get it replaced. Okay, and that is how you fix iPhone if it's stuck on a red battery screen. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.